So Simply NUC is a global company that provides mini PCs to a lot of different businesses. We originally started as a systems integrator for the Intel NUC, but we have moved on to being an OEM for mini PCs. We sell our own units. We have a lot of solutions that we partner with software companies to provide, and we also offer accessories. So essentially a one-stop shop for everything mini PC related. I am the director of marketing communications. We kind of are all hands on deck, wearing a lot of different hats type of team. But I do oversee a lot of our new product launches and the content that does go out on our website. I have a fun part where I get to work with sales on our lead generation efforts. So I get to work with Belkins on the different copy and the products that we focus in the different industries we want to target. And then I work closely to loop in sales as we set appointments and eventually get those prospects to turn into Simply NUC customers. Before we started working with Belkins, we had a little bit more of a DIY approach where we were finding and sourcing different email addresses, writing all the copy, using a not very sophisticated program to send all of those emails. We were running into high bounce rates and low response replies. So moving towards Belkin has been much more of a turnkey solution to our lead generation and getting new prospects and new people in front of Simply NUC and what we do. And it's just been a lot more efficient given our resources and bandwidth on the marketing team. We've been working with Belkins for over a year. I look forward to our weekly calls that we have. It's just fun to talk and see what appointments have been set, how everything's going, really diving into the data when it comes to what type of customer and what title is responding to our emails, what industries are having the highest open rate. So Belkins is great. Anytime I have a question before or after those weekly calls, there's always a very quick response. The performance reports are also very helpful as we meet as a team and we determine what is going well and what not for the marketing team. Since working with Belkins, it's been, I think, around 14 months since we first started our initial contract. We've definitely had some deals close. There's a lot of deals in the pipeline. We have a little bit longer of a sales process, especially when a company is ordering a higher number of units, but we're really close to having a really high return on investment. And we do see the value of using Belkins just based on the customers that we've been able to get in front of, the people that we've been able to connect to, and the deals that we've been able to close so far.